WIN Consortium stands for Worldwide Innovative Networking. It's a non-for-profit organization dedicated to fight against cancer. We believe in a new manner, and the main assets of WIN is bringing together professionals from academic, industry, patient advocacy together in order to impact the clinical outcome of cancer patients. The second asset is that we are a global organization with presence in 16 countries, from Canada, America, Brazil to Europe, Asia and Middle East, bringing together cancer centers that see patients from different type of populations with different genetic background. This symposium is exceptional in the sense that we aligned perhaps the best scientific program we ever presented. This is a 9th symposium. It has been endorsed by American Society of Clinical Oncology, and this year the theme is to expedite global efforts in order to improve outcome of cancer patients. I think what is unique to WIN Symposium is that attendees are in the same room listening to experts from pharmacy, from different industry, from academic and from patient advocacy, and they can have a global view of different aspects of this fight against cancer. The overarching goal of this symposium is to expedite global efforts in order to make faster big improvements in order to impact the clinical outcome of cancer patients. We will address a special session dedicated to design of clinical trials in the era of all those modern transformations. Clinical trials are essential because they are the first step in order to explore benefit and usefulness of new therapeutic strategies. But new trials has to be designed in a different manner in order to make all these efforts more expedite and more efficient. Other themes will be dedicated for immunotherapy, for exploring new targets for drug discovery, and also for international cooperation and addressing the challenges of implementing precision medicine worldwide. I think this year we had the chance to have the most renowned speakers worldwide, starting with Jose Baselga, which will deliver the keynote introduction, and Anthony Ribas, Leroy Hood, Martin Picard, René Bernards, just to cite a few names among the greatest experts renowned worldwide. Target audience is large, is addressed to all categories of professionals dedicated to fight against cancer, and it becomes traditional to see attendees coming from various horizons, from academic, from industry, from regulatory bodies, and from patient advocacies. I agree that research is fabulous worldwide, and every day we see new publications, new concepts evolving. But the way to implement all those discoveries into the clinical, close to the patient bedside, is a long way. And I think there is still room for improvement and to coordinate the efforts in order to make all those fabulous research going faster to clinical applications. I think there is no doubt that one of the most promising avenues in the future will be early diagnosis of tumors. and efficient and curative treatment. It is statistically proven that patients detected in stage 1 have a great rate of cure. If we take lung cancer, I mean, patients detected in stage 1 survive, more than 95% are alive at 5 years, which means they are cured. In advanced stages, in metastatic disease, unfortunately, results are not where they should be according to our expectations. And there is a no-brainer. The future will be exploring combinations of therapies, and this is actually one of the aspects we outlined in this symposium. I think one of the challenges is the access worldwide. I mean, research is very strong in some developed countries, but the patients are suffering everywhere in the world. And one of the main assets of WIN Consortium and one of the main aspirational goals is to make progress accessible everywhere in all parts of the world. I think this is a duty, not only a goal, to make this happen. Clinical trials are essential because it is the way to demonstrate that new concepts can really be beneficial. And patients are compliant, they accept to participate to such research. And I think it's our duty of all professionals to do those trials in such a manner that they are really beneficial to the patients. So yes, WIN Consortium strategy is focused on starting a new generation of clinical trials specifically designed to improve clinical survival of cancer patients.